Good morning, hardworking houses. Let's check out our learning target for today. It says students will be able to read and explain their own writing and drawings. Okay, I want you to repeat that after me. Say, I will be able to read and explain my own writing and drawings. And we're going to say it with a cowboy voice, okay? Say, I will be able to read and explain my own writing and drawing. So you've got two separate tasks. I've highlighted them in blue and green, okay? We're going to start with the green. Your first task is you are going to write and draw. Now we have two titles that we give to those type of people. What title do we give to someone who writes their own story? Yes, we call them the author. Nice job. Who can tell me what title we give to someone who draws what's going on in their story? The illustrator, absolutely. Both of you give yourself a pat on the back. That's task one. Your second task will be to read and to explain it. Okay? So just to review, I've picked out 3 story elements that should be in your story. Okay? We have our setting, which answers the question, where? We have our character or characters that answers the question, who? And we have an event or events that answers the question, what? Okay? So in your story, you will answer the question, where, who, and what? Now at the bottom, I've got our beginning prompt for our writing today. Before we dive into that, who can pull out some sight words that are highlighted in red? I, very good. Yes. Go, excellent. The, that's important. We see that word a lot. There's one more. To, very nice. Okay, so I'm going to read your writing prompt to you. I want you to repeat after me. If I could go to the moon, I would. So what's our setting? Where is our writing going to take place? Yes. Correct, on the moon. So we've got our setting. Who is telling this story? Yes. Yeah, you are. So our character is already set up in our story. Now what your job is going to be is to come up with an event. I want you to explain what you would do if you went to the moon. Okay? If you have questions, you can raise your hand. Mr. House will be coming around to check on your work. When we're done, I will have you read and explain your own writing and drawings to the class. Now don't forget, when you're done writing, you must illustrate. Any questions? Okay, let's get started.